Hey guys, welcome back to Upclick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Automotive oil film cleaning brush review. So you might be wondering, what is the Automotive oil film cleaning brush that you may be hearing or seeing online? So the Automotive oil film cleaning brush is a windshield cleaning tool designed to remove oil film, dirt, water spots, and other residue from automotive glass. Now, according to part page here, it is intended to help restore clear visibility by cleaning the surface of the windshield here. So they do mention that it keeps your windshield clean and your vision crystal clear with their automotive oil film cleaning brush. Now, how do you exactly use this? Well, first things first is you need to clean the windshield and remove loose dirt or debris here. So general dirt first. You want to remove all those stuff first, and this helps prevent particles from being dragged across the glass here while you're using the brush. Now, from then on, you just need to apply the appropriate cleaning solution to the windshield or the brush, depending on the instructions provided with the product, and then use the brush to work across the glass surface, concentrating on areas where oil film or stubborn residue has actually built up. Now, from then on, you want to move the brush across the windshield evenly rather than concentrating even heavily on one small area. And once you've finished cleaning here, rinse or wipe the glass clean and remove any remaining residue. Now, the product is specifically designed for automotive glass, so it can be used on the windshield and other vehicle windows. So the goal is to remove the film that can make glass appear hazy or reduce clarity, particularly when the light reflects off the windshield here. So, the product page here presents the brush as a reusable cleaning tool, making it suitable for repeated windshield cleaning sessions rather than a single-use product. So yeah, currently if you try visiting one of the websites where this specific product is being sold, currently it is priced at around $21.99 USD as of this moment, with payment options here ranging from PayPal to other payment methods available in the website. Like for example, they do allow you to add or select other payment methods here depending on the options that you have in here. But currently, it looks like that PayPal is the only option that they have right now on their website. But then again, depending on where you're buying it, it may differ, or the payment options maybe differ from time to time. So yeah, if you're interested with this product here, before using it, doing your own research into the recommended cleaning solution and checking the manufacturer's instructions for your particular windshield is recommended. Also, avoid using excessive pressure or abrasive products unless the manufacturer specifically says they are suitable for automotive glass. And also, maybe checking reviews outside the website or in different platforms can actually help you a lot in determining if this product is actually right for you. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.